Hi, today I will be trying to pick open this Top Tools safe 75mm Polish made in Poland padlock. It was €8.90, so not very pricey, little bit on a cheap side, but let's see if it's any good. It comes with 3 keys and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. It's like this rock-like, stone-like texture even on the core itself, and pretty wide open keyway, so I think this will be pretty easy to open. So let's try to open this. And it's open. So not really that difficult. Let's see if it's shielded. Or can it be bypassed? Not with that. It's shielded, but it was pretty easy to pick open. So yeah, that was toptools.pl and 75mm safe. So yeah, rubbish, don't buy. Bye bye. Hit the like if you liked the video and hit the subscribe if you really liked the video.